Hi, welcome back to Nouns and Updates. If you are finding it difficult to register for course and exam, you don't know how to register for your course and exam, in this video we're going to show you and guide you how to do that and also finally register for your exams. Okay, so let's dive into what we have for you today. So as you all know that you will go to the website and this is the home page of the Noun website. You are coming to this register student to register to log in. So you're going to log in. This is the page. You're going to put your matric number and password. After that, you're going to click on login. It's going to load and also show you. If you have, it's going to show you this captcha. Make sure you put the captcha here. It's very important. You put this captcha into this place. I'm putting the captcha now. And make sure that the captcha is correct. Do not give it any space. Everything should be written all together. No space in between. Write the captcha and click on login. It will take you in. So this is your portal. You must have money in your portal before you register for course and exam. So this is your portal now, and you want to register your courses and your exams. You don't know how to do that, so I'm going to show you step by step right away. So you see all these tabs, they are meant for something lot. So what you are going to, where you are going is this my courses. This is where my courses. Please note, before you can register your courses and exams for new student mostly, you must have registered for your semester. So your semester fee will have been paid and registered successfully. Once you have done that, it will show you this notice here. Can you see? It's going to show you this information because you registered for the semester. That is where you can be able to see your courses and your exam and be able to register for them. Okay, so meanwhile you just have to click on this. Once you click on it, it's going to show this as well. You can see it, still the same thing. Then you will come to register courses. This is where you're going to see register courses. You click on it, it's going to take you to another page where you're going to click and register most of your courses. Let us see, these are the courses. You're going to pick them one after the other like this. After you pick all the selected courses, make sure that each semester is very important. In every semester you must have compulsory fee. You must have a compulsory fee. I'm just removing it. Please don't make a mistake. Always check. I just use this one as an example. Always check your level, and if you have registered before, don't go and register the courses you registered before. Just always check those levels and the semester that you are currently in. So most especially is always beneath last. You will see it as current courses to register. That is how you should be able to know the courses you need to register for the semester. So after that, you just have to pick those courses. Once you pick those courses, let's say it will sum it up the amount and also show you the total amount that you're going to pay for those courses. You are going to pick everything. Definitely it's going to show you. After you have picked those courses, your selected courses, click on submit. It should automatically submit for you. Then also I'm going to show you other things again. Then also how to be able to register for your exam. After you register for this and you click on register for exam, let's say for example you want to register for exam, you come to this place. Can you see? You see register courses for exam. This is where you're going to come to and you click on it. Let's say this is it. So if you have registered for these courses now, so let me just register some courses so that you will see. Just register a few courses so that you see how it goes. Let's just wait. Let me go back. Okay, so let me just register like 1, 2. Let me just register these 2 courses or these 3 courses. That is sister as well. Let me just register that first so that you see it will. Once you want, this is another very important things that I wanted to skip my mind. See, if you want to register for these courses, make sure that your student email is active, because there is a code that will be sent to that student email. So once you click on register now, it will send a code to that your student email. It's a token. That token, you have to copy that token and put it in between before these courses can be registered. Make sure that student email is active and is working perfectly. So that is one of the key things you need to know. So let me just go back. I want to do that now. So let's just say we've registered for the courses and you want to register them for exam. Just come to this place. After you have clicked on submit, you come to this place. It will show you the courses you register for this semester. Just pick it the way you pick down, pick it and click on submit. Then finally you'll be able to register course and exam for the semester. Then also you want to print your exam slips or your course registration slips. Just come to this place. You see it, see all registered courses. So you click on it and you'll be able to print your slips, because registered courses slips. And the same thing applies to exam. You click to this place as well and register and print it. So you can be able to print it. You click on it, it's going to be able to print. This same thing you want to register for carryover courses. See, this is how it goes. Immediately you click on it, you will see those carryover courses you have made. Definitely you can check your results and see those carryover courses. When you click on register for exam, carryover courses will always be there. You just check it out. Okay, this courses I failed it, I need to register this semester. Then you can go ahead and add it to the current semester courses you are registering for exam. Make sure that you are registering carryover courses only for exam. Don't forget that. So that will be the end of this video, because the purpose of the video is for courses and exam registration. So, and I believe this have shown you how to do that and guide you on the step by step on how to do all these things. They are meant for each and everything. So thank you once again. I believe that this video has added giving you an hint on how to do register your courses and your exam by yourself. So see you in the next video. Kindly subscribe to our channel, give us a like, drop a comment if there is a need, and at the end let's see your own thoughts on what else you want us to what else you want us to do. Maybe you have a complex issue you want us to do the video, definitely you can give us or send us a direct message. We are going to reply to it. It's very necessary. So thank you for staying to the end of the video once again. See you in the next video. Bye.